If you're bidding on a home in California, did you know that this one risk can torpedo your mortgage if you're not careful? More and more homes in the state face this risk, and unaware buyers or real estate agents are caught by surprise, especially in wild and wooded areas like Marin County, Tahoe, Napa, or much of Sonoma County. I'm Jackie Cuneo, your mortgage broker with over 15 years of experience and hundreds of successful transactions. I've been able to prevent a lot of my clients from falling into this trap. But unfortunately, it's very common for buyers to miss this critical step when they're preparing for an offer for a home and qualifying for a mortgage. And what I'm talking about is fire. Specifically, the increasing fire risk in California in the last decade and how fire insurance has changed. Let me tell you about a client who fell in love with a cozy house in a beautiful wooded area. It was cheaper than similar homes in a nearby town, and they thought they'd found an amazing deal. But that area sits in a high wildfire risk zone. When we tried to get insurance, the quotes were sky high, sometimes double or triple what you'd pay in town. And in some cases, you need not just regular insurance, but also the California FAIR Plan, which is designed for homes in high risk areas. Here's the kicker: if you can't get insurance, your mortgage can't close. Doesn't matter if your credit, income, appraisal are perfect. No insurance, no loan, period. And even if you can get insurance, those high premiums go straight to your debt to income ratio. So if you're already close to qualifying limit, a surprise insurance bill could mean that you no longer qualify for the mortgage. I've seen buyers get all the way to writing an offer only to find out at the last minute that the property isn't insurable or that the insurance is unaffordable. So what can you do? Before you even write an offer, call an insurance broker and get a quote for that specific address. Ask if you'll need the FAIR Plan or if there are any required upgrades like replacing old knob and tube wiring, or if there are other hoops you have to jump through. And when you make your offer, write in an insurance contingency. That way, if you can't get coverage, you're not locked into a deal you can't close. If you want someone on your team to help you close the deal on the mortgage side and navigate these risks, book a call using the link below. I'll be happy to help you evaluate the risks and make sure you get your loan.